Hi everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com, and this is the first video in our new kitchen. We're making the easiest shrimp fried rice. This is a family favorite and it's perfect for a busy weeknight. This recipe moves fast, so you'll want to have everything prepped and ready to go. In a medium bowl, combine 1 pound of raw shrimp with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it together and set it aside. Now in a small bowl, beat together 4 large eggs, and then finely chop 1/4 cup of fresh green onion. Place a large non-stick pan or wok over medium-high heat. When a bead of water sizzles and evaporates, swirl in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Transfer shrimp to the hot skillet and spread them out in a single layer. Cook about 1 minute per side or just until cooked through and no longer opaque. Then remove them to a bowl. In the same pan, cook the beaten eggs, breaking them up with your spatula and cooking just until no longer runny. Then transfer them to a bowl. Wipe the skillet clean with a dry paper towel, then add another tablespoon of oil and the green onions, and cook until the onions are fragrant, about 30 seconds. Now you'll need 5 cups of cold, leftover white rice. Quickly stir the rice with the onion, then spread it evenly over the pan and cook 1 to 2 minutes without touching it. Stir the rice once and let it saute another 1 to 2 minutes. You should hear the rice sizzling. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir well to combine. Add 1½ teaspoons of sesame oil and don't skip it. Sesame oil gives stir fries authentic flavor and aroma. Add 12 ounces of thawed carrots and peas, then return your shrimp and your eggs back to the pan, then stir everything to combine. Now try your stir fry and add more soy sauce to taste. I usually add another ½ tablespoon to a tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir everything to combine and take it off the heat. Oh yes. All right, it is time for the taste test and I cannot wait. And I can't believe how fast this came together. This is such an easy meal and perfect for busy weeknights. And it also makes a great meal planning option because it reheats really well. Okay, here we go. And lots of shrimp for me. I'm a fan. And there's a lot in here too. Oops. Okay. Get in my belly. It is so simple and so flavorful. You guys are gonna love this. And I'm gonna put those chopsticks down because I am not that skilled and I am not that patient. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. Oh, and I love that it's loaded with veggies and so much protein with the shrimp and the egg, and perfect use for leftover rice. If you guys like this recipe, give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, if you guys want more easy dinner ideas, check these out right over here and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon and you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe.